All right, we've got another one of our Toy Box partners here in studio this morning with an exciting opportunity for families coming up this Sunday. We've got Garrett and Miguel here from 5 Mile Camp here to talk about the Polar Express train, which is really cool. First of all, I want to focus, thank you guys for coming in this morning. I want to find out more about 5 Mile Camp. It's a hidden gem in the 4 states for our youth.
Yeah, 5 Mile Camp is a nonprofit organization. We tend to work with kids at risk, but throughout the year we have kids come out, local schools within the 4-state area that come out year round, and they get to do all of our elements, all of our activities throughout the year. And in summer we have a program, it's a summer program where the kids come and they stay for about a week, and it's kind of leans towards kids at risk, which their counselors from each school chooses them. It's like 5 or 6 boys and 5 or 6 girls from each school, and just kids at risk that the counselors think they could benefit from it. We mainly focus on team building and building friendships, kind of trying to get along with each other, because we get kids each week is a kid from a different school. They're not the same kids, so they make new friends and kind of teach them to get along with everyone and new people. We get some kids who are not very good at that. By the end of the week, they're pretty good by the time they leave.
That's cool.
Yeah.
What kind of activities do you guys offer at 5 Mile Camp?
We have swimming. We have a indoor swimming pool, zip lines, rock wall. We have low elements, where it's more of a team building, and then crafts. We have a movie theater, and we have a science train where it's kind of fun science, I like to call it. They go in there and there's like a Van de Graaff, plasma ball, and also again leans towards team building. Some stuff in there you can do as a team, or you can do it by yourself. But
That's pretty cool. Yeah. And it's this science train that you guys have converted into the Polar Express train.
Yes, ma'am. So the Sunday, December 18th, from about noon to 7, we're going to open up to the public for the first time ever. So we're pretty excited about that. And what we've done is we've taken a passenger train car, it's a stationary car, completely gutted the inside of it, and we've made it our Polar Express. And so, you know, Sunday, families are going to come down. Santa's coming down to be there. You can get your picture taken with Santa, have hot chocolate. In our movie theater, we'll have the Polar Express playing. Galena Fire Department's bring out their big ladder truck, and it'll be out there. All of our tractors are going to be decorated, so we're just hoping to have a really good time out there.
Now, it is free to attend, but you guys are asking for donations to help out Cherokee County Toy Box.
Yes, ma'am. Well, we're accept donations on that, too. So you can bring cash, toys, whatever. And it's all voluntary on that.
All right, and if you do bring toys, make sure they're new unwrapped toys so we can
Yes.
make sure they get distributed properly. Yeah. I think one thing left we need to discuss is, where is 5 Mile Camp located? How do we find it?
You can go to our website, it's 5milecamp.com, or our Facebook page. It's under 5 Mile Camp. It's Quapaw, Oklahoma. It's a couple miles south of downstream. I think the address is on the website. It should be right there at the very top, too.
Yeah, Google it, you'll find it.
5 Mile Camp.
All right, well, thank you too. Anything else you want to add?
No,
I don't think so.
pretty good.
Well, thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you.
Brave
Thank
the
you,
storms on the way home this morning.
Oh,
Yeah.
It'll be much better on Sunday.
Yeah,
For sure.
we're
Right.
hoping.
All right, well, I hope it's a wonderful day, and all aboard the Polar Express.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.